Creativity and Technology's successful case. Automatic water management systems in Spain. Flood prevention, drought management, and water integral management. Creativity and Technology is a technological consultancy having more than 30 years of experience. Within the water scope, the company has a strong specialization on hydrological planning, automatic systems of water management, modernization of irrigation systems, operation and remote, water pricing. This presentation will show the successful case of creativity and technology when implementing the Spanish systems of water management. Automatic water management systems gather the necessary data through sensors located along strategic and remote placements, such as reservoirs and gauging stations on rivers in order to obtain useful information. This data is regularly sent through communication devices to a control center. It is then converted into useful information for the water management authorities, improving their decision-making processes. Complexity in designing automatic systems of water systems lies in defining, selecting, standardizing, and locating three main elements. In order to place the remote control stations in the best location, few actions must be taken. A deep analysis of the network topology. A careful selection of sensors and any other technology. The devices finally chosen will depend on several factors: the data that is going to be gathered, the acquisition process desired, the PLC algorithm designed for each action, or the validation tool used before the message is sent. A proper selection of technologies and communication systems relies on elaboration of coverage maps, radio frequency studies and definition of their specific features, definition and standardization of communication systems and protocols. Finally, development of an efficient control center requires a concrete definition of the SCADA device needed by the system, the database linked to it, the HMI, the information security protocols, mathematic models and the decision support tools. Finally, training of the staff in charge of monitoring and operating the control center is crucial. Spain counts with approximately 1,011 million cubic meters of renewable water resources, meaning about 2,700 cubic meters per inhabitant per year. Water resources allocation in Spain is very heterogeneous in time and space. This is due to the irregular climatology and rainfalls along the national geography. In consequence, many extreme events such as floods and droughts periods occur, putting at risk the water supply. During the last 500 years, at least 2,400 floods have been recorded in Spain, leading in most cases to catastrophic results. Furthermore, during the period from 1950 to 1990, the annual average number of deaths raised up to 40, while economic losses have been estimated to be bigger than $550 million. In 1982, the burst of a great dam in the eastern region of Spain was a key incident that made the Spanish government realize about the convenience of implementing an automatic water management system at a national level for each one of the different hydrological river basins. This was the starting point for the implementation of the first automatic water management system. It was a pioneer project in Spain, being also the first of the large projects led by Creativity and Technology since then. From 1985 until 1992, these types of management systems were successfully implemented along the eastern region basins, as they were the main regions with flooding risk. Since 1995, these systems were implemented in the rest of the country, this time including recently developed technologies such as satellite communications. This innovative initiative in Spain, as mentioned before, was led by Creativity and Technology, who finally participated on designing, implementing, and monitoring all the big river basins plans in Spain. At mid-90s, Spain suffered one of the greatest droughts until that moment, coinciding with the implementation of the Guadalquivir Basin Automatic Water Management System, one of the most affected regions regarding the drought. It was in those days when the design of information networks are adapted and extended in order to provide data during drought periods. Once verified the huge potential and adaptability of these systems, in 1992 the government decided to implement automatic water quality information systems in order to control several quality parameters, such as turbidity, dissolved oxygen, pH, conductivity, temperature, and others. Between 1982 and 2007, the total investment amount in the implementation of these technological solutions rose up to $280 million. This sum includes the civil works as well as the annual maintenance of the systems. During this period, these automatic systems have been put in place in 8 river basins and more than 2,200 control points have been installed. The Spanish government considers that the investment has been completely justified and amortized from the following points of view: social, due to the decrease in the number of deaths to the minimum; economic, due to the decrease of material losses caused by floods and droughts; and environmental, due to the improvement on the water management and on the supply quality security. Creativity and Technology, a supplier of high-value technological services, has proved to the clients that these systems are not only feasible, but also advisable in several contexts, as hydrological planning and ecologic flows, integrating hydrological models, ecologic flows, public consultation online, integral management of the water cycle including exploitation models, decision support tools, hydrometeorological models, prediction models of contaminants diffusion, management of emergency situations integrating automatic alarms, civil protection, early warning stations, automatic emergency plans regarding dams, maintenance of infrastructures, integrating computer-assisted systems for maintenance management. Moreover, the acquired knowledge regarding these systems has contributed to the management of the following elements: purification and sanitation, water supply networks, irrigation communities. According to the experience of Creativity and Technology, the annual cost of maintenance concerning automatic water management systems amounts approximately to 2.5% of the initial investment. The main items affecting these maintenance costs are telecommunication, infrastructures and licenses, instrumentation, flow meters, water level measurement devices, rainfall measurement devices, software rights. All of them increase the cost of the maintenance process. Creativity and Technology pledges its commitment to independent design systems, avoiding suppliers' pressures and, therefore, coming up with flexible and versatile applications which are at the same time open, tailor-made, and cheap. Through such a concept, the following can be achieved: modular systems where new elements can be added depending on budget, client's needs, and technological feasibility and availability. Scalable systems which allows regular and cost-effective integration of new infrastructures, broader and more ambitious system architectures in the future, reduction of business process re-engineering, inclusion of new potential scenarios as those coming down from climate change, open solution design avoiding the future hijack of the system, open source solutions, open communications and instrumentation protocols. Creativity and Technology considers that the main challenges to overcome regarding automatic water management systems will be in the near future the following: extensions of functions, smart basins, environmental costs, risk management. In 1982, the burst of a great dam in the eastern region of Spain was a key incident that made the Spanish government realize about the convenience of implementing an automatic water management system, European and American systems, so that international and global information networks can be developed. Integration of water information systems, such as smart basins with smart cities platforms. Increased designs based on open solutions, standards and protocols. Promote independent designs against turnkey solutions. Look towards low-cost maintenance. In this presentation, we have analyzed why automatic water management systems are an essential tool for flood prevention, drought management, integral water resources management.